Hey guys, I'm showing you this Odika everyday side table with charging station. So it's a set of two nightstands and it's a wooden brown nightstand bedside table with drawer. So let me just unbox first. So comes with the manual that describes all the different parts and the installation process that I will show you later on. And this is the unboxing thing. So you have the tool, all the required materials, screws and everything. So the power outlet also have a different style thing. So the manual describes all the parts and then we can start the installation. So all these different parts are marked and the tools and screws are also marked. So you have to just follow the instructions. And this is 22.4 inches in height and 18.9 inches in width. So let's start the process. So you can see like the top part is numbered and all these tools are numbered screws. So I will just put in all these things. You have to take out this step by pushing in the screws and then put it here. So you can see like all the screws and everything I put in here with the drawer as well. So I put in the drawer. This is the power outlet I fixed on the top. So this looks really nice, very nice and elegant look for this wood. And this have the charging outlet, so it's better to charge your mobile or any other thing. It's this drawer, like hardwood drawer, and two shelves that you can adjust the height based on this, and you can put in the books or anything you want. And this one is the nice look here. So let me show you the both sides, so the two pack. So I installed the both side tables, and this is how it looks. So it's a very nice look with the two sides, and on the both sides the side tables and tables with outlet, so you can charge your cell phone, charge anything you want, and then also use it for the storage and putting in the stuff. So it's stable and durable, three-layer panel with the wood textured panel, engineered wood, and have a good lifespan, and also have this like the rounded kids friendly corners and also the silent draw tracks. So it's very nice with the two power outlets, two USB, and anything or everyday use. That looks really nice for your everyday use, and then hand it over. So this is the Odika table with the mat and also the side tables. So they is a good quality furniture.